Another huge burning for Terra Classic is approaching. Yes, another massive burning by Binance is approaching very soon. Binance will be burning huge coins of Terra Classic. Binance will be destroying a lot of Terra Classic LUNC coin. Now, one important thing you need to understand, this is definitely going to take place between the 1st and 2nd. But I think all this while Terra Classic have been burning billions of coins every month, they have not really this have not really created a better impact for Terra Classic, and I think it is high time they need to back this up. I mean, when they are about to burn 1st, 2nd, Terra Classic within that period can also launch a project that can help destroy these coins. Okay, and I also propose for Terra Classic, if only they can remember to burn, let's say they burn the remaining supply, even they are burning 10%, if they can start burning at least 10% of the remaining supply almost every day, it will help Terra Classic. We have about 1 trillion coins, okay, the remaining supply. So let's assume every month, whenever Terra Classic they are burning, whenever Binance, especially Binance, is burning Terra Classic LUNC coin, maybe that day or the next day, LUNC should be able to destroy at least 10% of the remaining supply, which is about 100 billion coins. Or they can even burn 5% of the remaining supply, which is about 50 billion coins. This together, this burning will definitely help Terra Classic. This burning will push Terra Classic price to really increase. Okay, because right now, imagine burning just 2.6 billion coins, 3 billion coins, and yet nothing is happening. So I believe that Terra Classic need to increase the burning rate, and if they can do this, they can do this by burning some of the remaining supply alongside with Binance, alongside with the world's biggest exchange, Binance. They need huge burning for Terra Classic to really gain a lot, and also need huge market cap. Even at the time of recording this, the market cap is really dropping. Terra Classic market cap is really dropping, and right now it's dropping below $470 million. So, and if imagine even the trading volume is also low, trading at very low price. So Luna right now, at the time of recording this, they need to increase, they need to re-increase, especially the burning, the trading volume. They need to attract investors to invest huge on Terra Classic LUNC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.